Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Welcome to the show. Today is an unusual show. It won't be as long as normal because we have a star guest joining us today live in the studio. We're in the process of putting the set together. Hello, Bart.
Bart Poludniak has become a member.
Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed, Bart. I hope you're here today so I can give you all your perks and benefits. Absolutely fantastic. Welcome to the family. Lovely to have you here. Right, so we are just in the process of getting set today for our in-person Meet the CEO today. Paul Worley will be with me live in the studio, and we're getting in the position. There is his camera, there is my camera, and we're in the process of putting all the cameras together and all the rest of it. So that'll be coming up later on today. Look out for that on the homepage of the channel to see when all that starts. All right, fantastic. Now, I hope to have the extra channel running shortly. The extra channel isn't running at the moment because I want to prepare a few things before I go on camera, but hopefully the extra channel will be showing you behind the scenes as well. All right. So welcome everybody. If it's your first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. And if you'd like to ask questions directly live today to Paul Worley, you need to be a member. Anyone can watch. It's open to everyone, but we are going to have members only questions. It's one of the perks that members get, that they can speak directly to CEOs and all the rest of it. Anyway, let's look at the portfolio. This is my balance, 71 plus 25. It's 96.9. We've got 5 days to go for our third anniversary on the show. 3 years old in just 5 days time. Are we going to hit 100,000? Well, the good news is today I get paid on YouTube, but it won't be enough to take me to 100,000 because I'm paying off starting to reduce my margin. That's what I'm doing now. So we'll look forward to that. Henrik from Denmark. Yes, football, Denmark, England. There you go. It's lovely to have you here. Great match yesterday, Mark. It was a great match. Congratulations to you scoring a point there. We both got a point, and we're both still in the tournament. So there you go. Nice to have Henrik here today from Denmark. All right. Okay, let's go through all our positions today. Darren Knight, hi all. I want to see the flexible panels. Well, we'll be talking all about that today, live in the studio. Good morning, Martin. Loving your help on making money. It's my pleasure. Thank you so much, David Gwynn. Lovely to have you here. We're here live 12 hours a day. We're here on this channel and the extra channel, here to help people. That's what this channel is all about. Support, answer everyone's questions, bring you interviews. Today we're meeting Paul Worley from ASTI, Ascent Solar Technologies. Will be live on the show today, so we're excited about that. So it's all happening today, and as you can see on the build up to this meeting, it's no surprise, is it really? The stock price has been surging the last few days. You can see, look. 25% this week. We hit the bottom as we announced the interview, and we've been rising ever since. And we're up 23% today. As you can see, people are quite excited about this interview today. That's great. Really love it. Really good. It'll be exciting when Paul comes in. Your stock price is up like, what's it over the week? 26%, 28%. Over the month. Yeah, he'll be thrilled. He'll be thrilled with that. Great. Anyway. Good morning, Andrew, Martin, Jensen, Mike. Good morning. All great match. Yes, thank God it's Friday. Yes. Music concert tonight, of course, as well. Space currently up 3 cents. Woohoo. I'm on my way to recouping my 165,000. Oh dear, oh dear. Yeah, how to run a company badly. There's a demonstration of it right there. But yeah, it's not particularly good, is it? Let's be honest about that. What's your projected big move for today? I'm trying I'm trying my hand at day trading. Already up $1,500 in 14 days. Okay, that's great, and congratulations to you. However, always worries me if you're new to trading and you're up, because it gives you a false sense of security and you start thinking, wow, I'm doing great. I started like that, and it's best to lose when you first start, because it makes you understand the pitfalls, makes you learn about the margin, it makes you learn about what it feels like to lose. The most important thing is you, how you act, how you react. Be proactive, not reactive. Your thought process to all of this, and it can be a little bit scary at first if you do win too easily. That's all I'm going to say. All I'm going to say there. It's best to actually not win at the beginning and lose. It makes you a lot more prepared and a lot more careful with your trades. Be very, very careful. I'm really chuffed for you, really pleased. But remember, if you are up so much in just a few days, I hope you've done it on your IRA, not on your main account, of course, because if it's your main account, you'll pay capital gains tax on it. And then if you start trading again and then you lose, you might not have the money at the end of the year to pay the tax. Always worth noting that. Go Space. Yeah, Virgin Galactic today up 0.25%, or nearly 0.5%, I beg your pardon. Just want to say hi to everybody. David Hensley, good morning to you. Morning, John Granfor. Hi, Stacey Bailey. Morning, Stacey. Absolutely great. All right, let's have a quick look at the positions. The S&P is down slightly. Virgin Galactic is up today. Palantir down 3%. Gold is up. S&P is down. Amazon is up 0.18. Apple is up 0.31 today. NextEra Energy up 0.22. Enphase Energy on the way down. Coca-Cola down today 0.24. Johnson & Johnson 0.2. Down. Good value. Chevron is flat today. Tesla doesn't want to go up. It's only worth 110. What about Rivian? Up slightly today. McDonald's up 0.08. Google up. Microsoft down very slightly. Nvidia trimmed off 1.47. Walmart up today 0.04. Tilray Brands is down 0.59. Robinhood is on the way up 0.51. IonQ down, keeps going down, way too expensive. Keep telling everybody day in, day out that it's too expensive. Very careful of that one. Rocket Lab on the way down. Sorry, it's flat at the moment. Plug Power, good value, up, starting to go up again. Rumble, flat, they're down today. Funware up 1.7. ASTI, Ascent Solar Technologies, they're live in the studio with me today, up today 21%. FFIE is up 1.97, but it has no value, going to zero. Bitcoin keeps going down. I sold all my Bitcoin at $70,000, all of it, out of it, completely out of it. Sold every part of it. I've only got my XRP, which is holding really, and a few meme coins at the moment, about $1,000 worth of crypto. All the rest of it is sold. I took all my profits at 70,000. Let's have a look. Hi, Zach. Hi, David. Martin, how's the walking going? Yep, I did some walking on the elliptical machine last night, and we'll be doing it again tonight. Thank you, Mike. It's hard, isn't it? Are we all feeling a bit old now? I am. Definitely feeling a bit old. It's not easy. Hi, David. How's the walk-in? Yeah, I'm doing it. I know what you mean. I've lost big on my big traditional IRA, but gained big as well. These gains are on my Roth, trying to save up for my son's new car in February. Okay, well, I'm going to be honest with you because this channel is about being honest. It's not about trying to tell you what you want to hear. I'm not trying to make friends, even though I am. I'd love to make friends. That's not the purpose of the show. Purpose of the show is not to build a cult-like following where everybody, I'm telling everybody how we're going to get rich or how we're going to do this or how we're going to stuff it over to Wall Street. It's just the facts. And the facts aren't always great, but if you follow the facts, you're going to make money. Long term, you're going to make money and achieve your goals. And I'm going to give you another piece of advice, information, or just share my meandering thoughts, okay, over life experience. You just said there, David, I know what you mean. I've lost big. Trying to save up for my son's new car in February. Just going to give you another little alert there. It's good to have a goal on the stock market. Absolutely it is. I've got a goal of getting to $100,000 by the end of the year, if not the anniversary, which is in 5 days' time, 3 years old in 5 days. And I'm sure I'm going to be there, or I'm going to be very close. I'm going to be maybe a couple $100 short, but I'm going to be very close to $100,000. Started with 5,000, and I'm happy with that. So it's good to have a goal, and I'm also going to be a millionaire within 6 years, and that's a goal too. However, you want to have a goal, but using the stock market to make money to pay for something immediate, like you want to buy a car next week or a car next month, puts undue pressure on you, and it's a very dangerous thing to do, I think. I think it's a very, very dangerous thing to do because it'll make you trade badly because you've got pressure on you. And I know people use day trading to make money. It's their full-time job, but 95% of day traders lose money. For me, the best way, I believe anyway, is the investment in yourself. Now, whether you work at McDonald's or whether you run your own company or whatever you do, that is your income. Profit should be made from income. Money was not built to be spent. Money was built to grow. The very purpose of money, why banks have money, why the government have money, is to lend it out, to make money from money. That's the very purpose. We use it for transactions, but primarily money was designed to make money. It's how the system works. So my money goes to work for me after I paid my mortgage off, after I paid my car loan off. I built a business, paid off all my debts, and here we are with $5,000, or at least we were 3 years ago. And I decided to build a YouTube channel, and that's my investment in myself. And for 1.5 years, I worked for free. But then I took the money I was earning because I wasn't spending any money, right? No money's going out. I'm not bleeding any money. I've got no mortgage. I've got no car loan. I have no hobbies. These are my hobbies. I don't drink and smoke. This is my life. This is what I do. I'm here every day with you. And this is my investment in myself. So now I'm starting to earn money on YouTube. I take that money and I invest all of it and spend the rest. I spend hardly anything. Rich people I have found, and I know lots of millionaires and billionaires actually, they spend, they earn, and all the money they earn, they invest and they spend what's left. Poor people spend everything and then invest what's left. It's a completely opposite way of looking at money. Money is meant to earn money. Now, once the money earns money, right? So if I get to $1 million in 6 years, I will earn about $100,000 a year, 10% a year, right? Dividends, payouts, whatever. That's an income. Now, if I'm spending less than 100 grand, I'm still growing without earning any money at all because I've put the time in to earn the money, to make the money earn its own money, which then provides me with a living. So what I'm trying to get to is if I want to buy something, either I can't afford it, I can't have it, or I've got to earn the money to do it, not use the stock market to do it. I know that sounds crazy because if you're investing, that's what you're trying to do, trying to make some money. But I don't look at the stock market as a cash machine or a casino. All right. I look at the stock market as a place to grow my money until I can then draw from it. So I'm not doing it to buy a car next week or a car next month or whatever. That's putting undue pressure, and it's very difficult to do. Remember, 95% of day traders lose money. So, to say the markets are booming, I'm going to buy and then I'm going to be up. I mean, you can, but this channel is probably not the best channel for you. It is the best channel for you, but it's not the best channel for you because channels like Meet Kevin or Graham Stepan or not Graham Stepan so much, but more Meet Kevin, but certainly Omar, people like that will tell you we're all going to get rich if we do this tomorrow and we're all going to do this and we're all going to do that. That's very dangerous stuff. That's only benefits the creator, the YouTube person who's doing it, because people love to hear that sort of stuff. It's why I have less numbers, but I grow 1,000 subscribers a week, but it doesn't boom. People aren't queuing up to, hear the stories of how we get rich tomorrow. So just bear that in mind. But what they do, though, is 98% of my live viewers are members. We're more engaged, and I would rather have 10 people watch me every day that were really close than millions every day that were just in and out every 5 minutes. So just be careful. If you are setting a goal and you're using the stock market to buy a car, and you said in February, that's not that long. And the stock market wasn't built to make money by February. Of course you can, and people do every day, but be careful if that's what you're doing. You could end up come February and you've got no money at all. So love to say that's the way to go forward, but I don't think it is. Hi, Mark. Thanks, Ed. Yo, says Caden Youngquist. Hey, John, can you contact me on X? Hustle Brothers, or drop my Discord below the video. There you go. Cheers, Mike. Thanks, Hustle. I'll be in touch. HRKR. All good, John. Hey, Mike. Martyn, big news on space in Breakfast Bar. Caden Youngquist. Let's have a look. Breakfast Bar. If you could put it in links for YouTube next time, it just makes it easier for me. I love that. What John Granfor created. Wasn't that amazing? Breakfast Bar. I'm loving it this morning. Join us for Starry Night trivia and stargazing, hosted by Virgin Galactic. Friday, June. That's today. Trivia, golf course, clubhouse, food and beverages available. Snacks are available by Virgin Galactic, followed by stargazing, the south end of the parking lot. Big news on space. This is a joke, right? Spaceport America Cup. Join us for a starry night, trivia and stargazing. What is this? The golf course hosted by Virgin Galactic. Is this a real thing? New Mexico State University. I love this. Is this a real thing? It's a real thing. Oh, this is great. I got to make a video on this. This is brilliant. That's the funniest news I've seen all day. That's brilliant. All right, I'm gonna make it. I got to do that. That's excellent. I'm loving it. All right, I got to make a video on that. Right. Okay. Yeah, this is, oh man. Yeah, this is brilliant. Okay, space. Oh, the funniest thing. Space. SPCE. 25 minutes. This is brilliant. This is great. This is going to be funny. You got to have some, you got to inject some you got to inject some humor into it. All right. Okay. All right. We got to do it, haven't we? Okay. Here we go. Time to smile, time to laugh, time to chuckle, time to cry with Virgin Galactic. Well, I've got some great news for you. You'll be delighted, of course, with the reverse split, and you'll be delighted with how much money you've made on Virgin Galactic recently. Of course you will. You'll be thrilled to bits knowing that the stock is down again since they've reverse split unnecessarily. But don't worry. All is well with Virgin Galactic. We've got a major announcement here. A wonderful event is happening for Virgin Galactic today. What is it? Is it Elon Musk flying on the rocket today? Is it Taylor Swift turning up to sign autographs? I don't know. No, it's better than that. You're going to love this. It's just to inject a little bit of humor, a little bit of sunshine into the day today, because there's nothing better than we're all losing money consistently with Virgin Galactic. But hey, don't worry, it's up 45.45% today, so it's all good. Here you go. You ready? You ready for this? You can't wait, right? Smash the like button. Have you subscribed and rung the bell? Do you want to see what it is? Now, I had to check this was real, but one of my members, Katie Youngquist, confirms to me this is a real event today for Virgin Galactic. It's live, it's happening, it's in close and personal, as presented, hosted by Virgin Galactic. Are you ready? I can hear you shouting at the screen. Tell me what it is. Am I going to get rich today? Probably not, but it's worth mentioning. Here it is. As posted, it's the Spaceport America Cup. Yep, Spaceport America has a cup hosted by yours truly, Virgin Galactic. Let's have a look at the event. This is the event tonight. This is happening tonight. Can I zoom in a bit more? Right. Join us. In fact, there we go. Spaceport America Cup. Did you know there was a Spaceport America Cup? Join us for a starry night, trivia and stargazing, hosted by Virgin Galactic. Friday, June 21st, today. I love it. It's a beautiful poster. I think you'll agree. It's in the style of Virgin Galactic. Beautiful poster. Trivia at NMSU Golf Course and Clubhouse, 7:30 to 9 p.m. Food and beverages are available at the bar for purchase. Snacks will be provided by Virgin Galactic. Fantastic. We're throwing more money away on sponsoring golf events. I'm loving it. And you can see the lovely formatting here of this, of the barcode, of the QR code. It's just slightly lower than the picture. Very nice. Followed by stargazing at the south end of the parking lot. Brilliant. Tour of the night sky, the Astronomical Society of Las Cruces, sharing the universe with our community for over 70 years. I love it. I love it. I don't mean to laugh, but we have to have a laugh, right? There we go. So tonight, if you are a Virgin Galactic investor and you'd like to feel better about yourself, you can hang out the south end of the parking lot, look at the stars and dream of where all your money's gone with Virgin Galactic. That's an event hosted tonight by Virgin Galactic. Wonderful. I wonder how much money we put into that. Anyway, shouldn't be too much. There's not much left, is there really? Anyway, that was sent in by Caden Youngquist. I thought you'd find that most entertaining. I certainly did. Click above my head, down below in the description. I feel good about it now. As an investor of Virgin Galactic once was, I feel quite glad that Virgin Galactic have the money to give away for stargazing. Click over there. Click over there. I know, not my normal video, but I thought it was worth a note. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Right, loving it. Brilliant. I'm loving it. My knees are giving out. I have meniscus tear. So, oh dear. Ouch, Mike. Oh, bloody hell. Feel better. Thanks, Ed. Can we have some get wells for Mike? Copy and paste. Absolutely get well. Get well. Get well. Get well. Hi, Jason. Morning. I watch every day. Mike, health to your knees. Stop kicking people. Yeah. Biggest news since the split. A little event. Yes, it is. Company is drowning, and yet they got a little stargazing event. Maybe make a couple of bucks on selling park. Yeah, they'll make some money selling parking tickets. This may sound silly to some, but in my day trading account, I've been taking $20 to $30 a day. That may be on a $2,000 investment, but I've set that limit and I've consistently done that daily. Jason Davis, congratulations to you. Fantastic. I appreciate honesty. That's why I watch you. My Roth is my play money. Very, very correct. Very good, because you don't pay tax. Is good. I set my goals and stick with them, even if my profit is 100 or 1,000 a day. Trading my Roth is one of my hobbies. Fantastic. I do have a full-time job that I love. There you go. Great stuff. I'm loving it. David Gwynn, love it. Ed, Mike, John, and good day, fellas. All right. Okay. So listen, folks. Listen up. Listen up. Pay attention. It's time for some copy and pasting. Right? Because Mike isn't feeling very well. He's broken his knees. It's his own fault. It's his own fault. Keeps going around kicking people. This is the price you pay. So I want get well Mike in the chat. Copy and paste. 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 It's too early to go higher. Too early to go higher. All right, I ain't got the energy. Get well, Mike. Poor old Mike. He's got a bloody headache now after all that. Right, I'm the king of the copy and paste. No one can copy and paste like me. Can you copy and paste like that? That takes skill. I try and do it so much that I fill the entire page. Damn it, I missed it. David Gwynn came in and spoiled it. I was nearly up the whole page copy and pasting, but never mind. Thanks, everyone. Thanks me. I did it most. Yeah. I did it most. There you go. Just remember that. Right, we've got 27 minutes to go before the bell goes. Are we going to get to $100,000 today? That's the idea. That's the plan. That's the goal. Let me check my emails because we need to know what's going on today with Paul arriving. Okay. No messages yet. Okay, that's fine. No news is good news, right? I don't know who made that up. I'm not so sure, really. No news is good news. People say that, don't they? All the time. They go, no news is good news. Like it's a thing. Like they said it. I always wondered who they is. You know, everyone says they say that. Who's they? Who's they? Who's the magic they that says things? Anyway. There you go. Nine days left. Of the month. Very exciting. I'm looking forward to July. Lot to look forward to in July. 9 days left of this month, or thereabouts. I do have a full-time job that I love. I'm not getting the messages coming through. Don't know what's going on there. It stopped working. Get well, Mike. No kicking trolls today. Go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Thanks, everyone. I'll be okay. You'll be okay until you're not. You know, guaranteed, isn't it? You know, you live well enough until you don't. Hate to bring you down, but we live, we breathe, everything's good, and then you die. I can tell you that now for a fact. If anyone's thinking differently, don't get above yourself. Don't get too confident. Don't get too happy. I don't want anyone running around super happy today thinking, I've cracked the code. I'm fit and well and I'm going to live forever. No, you ain't. You're going to live until you don't. All right. So I just want to bring the mood down. I don't want anyone getting carried away with themselves thinking they cracked it and they're all going to live forever, because you ain't. It's not going to end well. Oh dear, what the hell's happened to my? That's a bit weird. What's going on there? I've got funny looking pages. Oh, that's better. 72 watching. Well, we're going to end the show shortly because Paul Worley from Ascent Solar Technologies will be arriving shortly in my studio, and we'll be talking solar today. Solar, space, SpaceX, Elon Musk. Members only will be able to chat to him. He will be live with me. There's the hot seat. There's my camera. Look, you can see me. There's Paul's camera. Ba-boom. Ready? Are you excited? You should be excited, really. It's going to be very exciting. I don't know why I'm not getting the comments coming through. It's a bit annoying, but there it is. It happens sometimes. I can see the comments. I just can't show them on the screen for some bizarre reason. Anyway, July, hottest month of the year. Way to go. Thanks a lot. Thanks. Thanks for that. Feel great now. I was like, tuning into the show this morning to feel better about myself. And I just feel crap now, right? Yeah, but the point is, Mike, if you feel rubbish, right, the only way is up. Always, every cloud. If I've made you feel miserable and down on yourself, it's brilliant. Because now the only way is up. Now I can build you up now. Now I can take you to the heights of happiness. I know you can do that yourself. You've got the magic carpet and all the rest of it. But I can take you to the emotional, verbal, visual, audible, height of happiness. So, think on. I might have brought you down, but don't worry. We can go up from here. It's like Virgin Galactic. It can't get any worse, can it? It really can't get worse. I don't think it can. I think Virgin Galactic now, $8.90, can't possibly go down to $4, can it? No, can't do that. Someone mentioned yesterday that how well composed Andy Shovel was. Andy Shovel, $400,000 to 40 grand. That's what some estimated his situation is. Imagine that. Imagine that, Mike. Now, do you feel better? You always feel better when everybody else feels worse. So it's a good old human trait that. We can't just be happy for everybody. No. I prefer when everyone's having a really crap time because it means my life's better than theirs. So Mike's got broken knees, makes me feel like Usain Bolt right now. Right now, I feel like Usain Bolt. Just saying, right? Because Mike's got broken knees, he's buggered, he's walking around, well, he's not even walking, he's just sitting, right? Because he's so buggered, I feel better about it. Because now I feel fitter than ever. Every cloud. Oh dear, life's good. There's nothing like bringing everybody else down. Miserable me Lou. I'm not sure what miserable me Lou means. Oh, hello.
J Long donated $1.99 through a super chat. Asti News. Links for YouTube.
Links for YouTube. That's what happens when you do a super chat. You interrupt the show. You get me to look for links for YouTube. You control the direction of the show. That's the wonderful thing. That's the wonderful thing about this show. Let's have a look at this. What have I got here? What am I looking at? Plug news. Hang on a minute. ASTI News, links for YouTube. I'm in links for YouTube. I don't see anything. Where am I looking? Yesterday, last week. Jay Long, I'm looking for a post from you. Are you talking about the post from Zaxate? Oh, Zaxate sent something in. Okay, here we go. All right. Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look at that. Let's confirm this. All right. Right. Fantastic. 45 ASTI. Ascent Solar Technologies live with me in person, the CEO, right here with me in the studio today, and it couldn't have come at a better time. As you can see, and oh, flipping heck. Hang on a minute, I'm on the wrong one. That was rubbish. Do that again. That was rubbish. Right. Ascent Solar Technologies with me in the studio today, in person, the CEO, Paul Worley, and it couldn't have come at a better time. This is great. The stock is surging up today, 16%, was up a lot higher a few moments ago, up 30% this month. Absolutely wonderful stuff. What's going on? We got some news for you. Today, you're going to learn about space. You're going to learn about SpaceX, solar panels in space. Oh, yes. And it also comes on a very special day with some very special news. How timely was that? Where else can you be but join me today live later on in the day with me? Members only will be able to ask questions directly to Paul, and everybody else will be able to watch and listen in, but members will be able to talk directly with him. Very exciting. What is the news? This has just come out just as Paul sets on a plane from Florida to head to Dallas to see me. Oh, yes. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Ascent Solar Technologies announces debt payoff today for outstanding balances. Oh, yes. That must have been the money I lent to Paul. I said, pay off your debts, mate. When you come on the show, it'll look so much better. Ascent Solar, the leading US innovator in the design. Oh, hang on, what's this?
Jay Long donated $1.99 through a super chat. Thanks, Zach, for posting. Vaz as well.
Yes, we got 2 posts in. Very nice indeed. This is where I got the information from. US innovator in the design and manufacturing of featherweight, flexible and durable CIGS thin film photovoltaic PV solutions today provided a corporate update on the securities purchase contract with an institutional investor. We love it. The company paid the remaining institutional investors' notes payable and related liabilities today. No further obligations exist under the December 19, 2022 securities purchase contract. There you go. They've just paid off their debts today. We like that. Backed by 40 years of research and development, 15 years of manufacturing experience, numerous awards and comprehensive IP and patent portfolio in the US, in England it's different. Ascent Solar Technologies is a leading provider of innovative, high-performance, flexible, thin-film solar panels for use in environments where mass performance, reliability, and resilience matter. Ascent's photovoltaic PV modules have been deployed on space missions, multiple airborne vehicles, agrivoltaic, is that how you pronounce that? We'll find out today. Installations in industrial, commercial, construction, as well as extensive range of consumer goods, revolutionizing the use cases and environments for solar power. Ascent Solar's Research and Development Center and a 4.5 megawatt nameplate production facility in Thornton, Colorado. There you go. Very, very nice indeed. This is very, very timely. Couldn't be better. As I say, it's probably the money I lent him. I said to Paul, look, mate, if you're going to come on the show, we've got to make this look good. Right, I've got a bit of saving. I'm nearly up to $100,000. I could virtually buy the whole company as we stand right now. Let me lend you some money, pay off the debt. It'll look so much better. I'm always talking about getting out of debt. Anyway, Ascent Solar Technologies, wasn't that timely? Join us today for a special live event. Become a member and for a couple of bucks, and you can speak directly to Paul Worley, the CEO, a pioneer, going to be putting solar panels in space. I'm loving it. This is great. What a day. What a scoop. Could have gone on CNN. Could have gone on CNBC. Could have gone on Bloomberg. Could have gone on Mad Money. Decided the best place to be is here. Click above my head for all the links. Down below, you'll find the link. Over here, you'll find the link. Over here, you'll find the link. I just want to make sure you find the link so you can join me live for the greatest event ever on television. Might as well say that. No one else is going to. I'm going to say it. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Might as well. I mean, and I. Right. Links for YouTube. Thanks for that. Thanks, Zach. Yeah, thank you for sending that information in. Flipping right. I posted multiple news this week. Not sure if you're getting or seeing them in Discord, but it's huge news. Chris Schultz, I am. I can only do so much. I know you remember, so I focus on you. I do as much as I can, of course. This is a short show because I'm preparing for the arrival of. Oh, what's going on here? Getting some really weird stuff on YouTube. Things are like flashing in and out. Where's the link? The link's not there yet. Smart ass. John Granfort, you know the link's not there yet because I'm making it during a live show. You know that. Right? When this video comes out, there'll be a link there. But for you, just in case you don't know, and I know you do, because you're just being smart, if you look on the homepage of the channel, if you scroll down, what do you see? You see this. Hang on a minute. Let me refresh the screen. Let me make it more up to date. There you go. Next event. Next event. There's 3 people waiting already. I think you could do better than that. Really? 3 people waiting? That should be hundreds. This is a major event. Major event, this. People don't realize. It's breezing over people. They don't know. Where's the link? You know where the bloody link is. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Or why is it? Yes, I know. But I got to make sure, just in case you're not kidding, because I'm not completely sure. You know what I mean? I don't really know. I think you're sure, but I can never really tell. I have to be very, very wary. I just think, does he really know? Who is this John Granfort? Is he a troll? Is he real? I don't know. Is Brenda real? Did he make Brenda up? I don't know. I have to assume, I have to be careful what I assume. Do you know what I'm saying? I'll give you that. Like that was funny. There you go, Chris. Sod it. That's right. Sod it. If you can't beat them, join them. That's what I say. I haven't got a cup of tea today. I've only got water. I think there's a strike going on. Anyway. Whatever. Steve Wally. Anyway. Bloody hell. Sorry I had to jump on the bandwagon, Mike and John. Bloody hell. Where's the link? All right. Where's the link? I tell you what, you're annoying me now. You're bloody annoying me. And in fact, you're annoying me so much, I'm going to give you the link and ram it right down like that. I'm going to make sure you've got the bloody link, right? Here is the link. Lazy. You just can't be bothered to look at the bottom of the screen. Hang on. Who's this? Just text me. I've got a text here. Hang on. Okay. I'm just checking my phone because if I get any messages from Paul, I need to be aware. Right. Here, how long have we got? 8 minutes, right? So I've got 8 minutes to get this link and ram it down your throat like that. Here's the link. God damn it. 16 likes. Here we go. There is the link. Can you see the link now? Click on it. I want to see everybody. I mean, how could you miss this, right? If you miss this, you don't know what's going on. You're just a waste. You don't deserve to be here, right? We have got 79 people watching live right now. 79, okay? This is the event, the biggest TV moment in history happening today. Because in the future, right, is that the link? It's the link, right? There's 4 people waiting and there's 16 likes. I want to see 79 likes. Let's refresh it. Right. There's 18 likes. People becoming members. People becoming members just for this. Right. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. Is that the link? Yes, it is the bloody link. Right. Are you ready? Hang on. Here we go. I'm going to announce it now. I'm going to make the announcement. Right. Okay. Here it is. Asti and then 55. 55, I'll do it again. Asti. The greatest TV event ever. You can't miss it. In the future, you'll be talking about SpaceX with solar panels on it, powering stuff that we don't even know about stuff right now. And you will remember the day it happened here, live in the studio. Oh yes, it all starts here. The road to Elon Musk. Oh yes, I've been in contact through his office on X and Twitter, whatever you like. But anyway, today the journey begins. Ascent Solar Technologies. Great news today. Stocks going up. And Paul Waller, the CEO, will be live with me in the studio. This is going to be the greatest event on TV history. Forget man landing on the moon. This is Martyn talking about solar panels going to the moon. Live in my studio with the CEO in person, sat with me, not on a phone call, phoning in. Now, this is the event. There are already, and bearing in mind, we're a very small channel. We only have 26,500 subscribers when you think there are billions of people in the world, right? It's not that big. But, right, we have already 21 people liking it. And it doesn't happen yet for 4 hours. 21 people are liking it. That's nearly as many that watched Roaring Kitty the other day. Remember that? He didn't have 21 people liking it, did he? We've even got people becoming members just for it. Why do they want to become members? Because they want to speak to Paul directly. They want to say, hey, Paul, do you know Elon Musk? And he'll go, yeah, a little bit. I've put solar on this spaceship, right? Well, what's he like? Well, hang on a minute. I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about my business, Ascent Solar. All right, then. Well, tell me all about it. Well, you've got to be a member. So Bart thought, sod it. It's worth a couple of bucks. I'll be a member. I'll phone in. I'll talk directly. I will know what's going on with the rocket. I will know what's going on with satellites and solar and stuff like that. So if you want to know about stuff and you want to get in with the 7 people that are waiting, it's a lot of people when you think they've only got 26,000 subscribers, billion people in the world, 7 people waiting for the biggest event in the history of television happening live today. Where else can you be? And if you want a preview, here's a preview. This is my camera. This is where I will speak and tell you all about solar. This is where Paul will speak. Yep, that's him. He's just not there yet. The camera's on him, but he ain't there yet. So what can I say, right? He will be there, though, hopefully. So right now, Paul is en route from Florida. He's on a plane, private jet. Where's he going? Coming to see Martyn Lucas. He could have gone on Mad Money. He could have gone on CNBC. He could have gone on Bloomberg to talk about solar in space, Elon Musk, spaceships, rockets, solar, and stuff. But he decided to speak to me. It's a very wise decision. Very wise decision. I totally agree with it. I think it's brilliant. And why? Well, because we're the best channel in the world. That's why. You can put that in your Reddit channel. You can put that on your stock twits. Or not. It don't matter. But the price is going up, which is exciting because a lot of attention today on this new, innovative, exciting company. And I'm right there at the cutting edge. Join me. Click on the link. This is the link. Click on the link. This is the link. Click on the link. This is the link. And click on the link. This is the link. I want to make sure that you find the link. So people don't say, I didn't know it was on. I couldn't find it. Now you know. Now you can't miss it. Join me. Until next time, in about 3 or 4 hours. Or maybe in 5 minutes if you watch this in 3 or 4 hours. I don't know. Or back 5 minutes ago if you watched it 5 minutes later. Or back a year ago if you just found out about it and thought, bloody hell, I could have been there the day it all began. The day Martyn went to the moon. Is he going to the moon? You're bloody right, I'm going to the moon. I'm going to the moon this afternoon. Until next time, here, 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 over here, over here. Take care of yourselves and each other. Right, 2 minutes ago, we've got 21 likes, 7 waiting. That'll do. That'll do. So I'm okay with that. Right. Are we going to get to $100,000 by the time we get to the birthday? We got 6 days to go. $97,000. It's not good enough. Leah's gonna be pissed. What's going on? We broke him. Oh, bloody hell. Good God. Yes, Chris. 2%. Ain't that time? Love it. Free carpet rides, everyone. Free. Martyn, can you please post the link? Oh, I'm bloody sick of you. Mike, if you mention the link one more time. Where the heaven is the link? Can someone post the link? Right. Enough of this. It's time to ring the bell. Why? Because I said so. It's just a thing. Don't worry about it. Don't take it too seriously. It's just a thing. Right, you ready? I just don't care anymore. I just don't care. Bell's here. Right, ready to go. I'm early. Shall I ring it early just to annoy everybody? Right, no, I won't. I won't ring it early. It's not professional. You've got to be professional about these things. Right? There's no messing around. Be professional. Be professional. Keep it professional. Don't start messing around. I can if I want. I mean, it's my show. I'm just saying. Right? You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. You can sponsor the bell. If you've got something to sell, something to say, something to do, somewhere to go, you can put your name on the bell and sponsor the bell. All right, okay. Let's have a look. Let's have a go. Let's have a go. Let's have a go. Right, here we go. The portfolio today is down very slightly. I can live with it. I can live with it. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Let's go through our portfolio and see where we are today. The overall portfolio is slightly down. Virgin Galactic is up at the moment, but trailing back down again. Palantir going down. Got 2 overbought recently. The gold is going down. The S&P is being sold just to buy it again. Amazon is going down. Apple is up today, 0.6. Next to it, energy is up, pulling back. Enphase going down, down, down. It's all because getting ready for the next earnings. Coca-Cola defensives have turned around today, going up. Johnson & Johnson is down, but trying to push back up. Chevron oil is up today, only slightly, but it is up. Tesla, 181, just can't break out of the 180, can it? Why? Because it's only worth 110, simple as that. Rivian going down again. McDonald's up today. Google on the way up, 178 now. Microsoft having a nice day, also up today. Nvidia down $127 now. So that'd be 1,270 if you do your old maths. Walmart, Tilray Brands, good value. Robinhood going down. IonQ on the way down. Rocket Lab going down. Plug Power up 0.2. Rumble on the way down. Funware down very slightly. ASTI, Ascent Solar Technologies, 25% up today. We're excited about it. Oh yeah. FFIE, rubbish, going to zero, got no value, it's just got a cult following. Bitcoin going down, down, down. I sold it for $70,000. I'm out of all of my Bitcoin. I don't care if it goes to $1 million. I doubled my money. I made 126%. Happy with that. I can do better just owning the S&P. I'm out. I've sold it all and I'm done for now. Who knows if I might buy it again tomorrow. Who knows? Ripple XRP is down now. And GameStop is also down today, but trying to push up. No value here. So be very, very careful with these meme stocks. They are all ridiculous and no value whatsoever. Ground control to Major Tom. Make a cup of tea, please, and put the kettle on. Put the kettle on. I love it. James 007. I can't share the comments at the moment. They're not coming through. It's a great travesty. There it is. It's the scoff from the night. It's the scoff from last night. Has Martin. It's the scoff from last night. What's going on there? Morning, James. James 007. Welcome everybody to the show. Sorry I can't share your comments. It's just the way it is. Things like that happen from time to time. Don't worry about it. It's all part of life. There you go. There is the trade today. Hope you're all doing well. I'm like an old man at a wedding. It's okay. Because I am an old man. Now I'm allowed to dance like one. 20 years ago, I wouldn't have done that. I would have gone, that's not cool. Don't do that. No, I don't care. Now I'm an old man at a wedding. I'm just not at a wedding. I'm just sat here by myself. I mean, what's his name? Donald Trump. Donald Trump does it. He seems to do all right on it. There you go. There you go. Loads of people love him when he does it. So there you go. Why can't I do it? Happy Friday, everyone. Indeed it is. So we are down slightly. Now we're going to end the show now because we have to get ready for Ascent Solar Technologies. We have to get ready for the studio. There's stuff to do. Gotta have a shave, brush my hair, clean my teeth, make sure I'm polished and suited and booted. Oh yeah, I've already done that. I do that when I get up in the morning. Whew. That's okay then. I haven't got to do that. But I wouldn't mind some breakfast. I skipped breakfast this morning and I would like some breakfast. So what I'm going to do now, where's your glasses? Here. I'm struggling with the glasses at the moment because of shadows. And I'm getting shadows on my glasses, and I don't know how to fix the shadows. So remember I told you my eyes aren't that bad yet. It's just a little bit. And yeah, the shadows. So I might have to go contact lenses, perhaps, or just not see, or just give up YouTube altogether, or turn the lights out, do it in the dark. There's loads of options available to me. I just haven't chosen one yet. I will choose one. Options are important. I'll choose one. I just haven't chose one yet, right? I'll choose one when I'm ready. Until then, I'll carry on regardless. Right, so tonight is the music night. Turn the lights off. That's a good idea. Let's see what that's like. If I do that and do that, let's see if I get the shadows now. See? No shadows. No shadows. See? Works. No, I can do that. No shadows. It's when I do this. Look, it's when I do that. I get a bit of shadow in. See? Get a bit of shadow in. Anyway, enough of the malarkey. There you go. We'll see what happens. Right. Martyn, tinted glasses. How's that going to fix it? It's the shadows. It's the shadows of the arms at the sides. I get shadows at the sides. All right. You probably think he's just vain. Why does he care about the shadows? Just do the show. We're not here for the shadows. We're here to make money. Stop talking about shadows. You've got to be professional there, right? Right. I've got to end the show now. I've got to put the space video out. That's funny, right? Asti and Asti. I've got to put that out right now. Now, I will see you back later on for the show, the main event. The big hurrah, the big farewell, the last day on YouTube, the end of the world, the end of days, Armageddon. The sequel, part 4, part 12 of Police Academy. Whatever it is, it's going to be amazing, right? So I'm going to give you the link right now. Yes, here's the link. Link's in the chat. I've given it to you already. I'm going to pin it to the top. Here's the link. Move on, Martyn, please. I'll move on. I'll move on when I'm ready. It's my show, Mike. You can merely suggest ideas, but I am the puppet master. I decide what I do with myself. I literally am the puppet master of myself. And I have decided not wearing glasses today. All right? Where's the link? There's the link, pinned to the top. Right, folks, I'm going to get out of here. I've got to get ready for my big moment, my starring role, my sequel, and stuff. And in between now and then, there's going to be groundbreaking, revolutionary videos going out. And everyone, all 26,000 subscribers, that would be nice. It's never happened. All 26,000 subscribers are going to watch. Not likely. Right, I'll see you back in a bit. Have a lovely time. He has no links to hold him down. That's right. It's your show, Martyn. Remember that saying. I'm remembering it. I'll never forget it. I'll never forget it. It's your show. Yes. I can't find the bloody link, John says. He has no links to hold him down. Right, I'm out of here. I'm sick of this. I come on here every morning, and all I get is abuse from my friends, moderators. It's always the members. It's always the members with like badges of at least a year old. It's always them. It's never the new members. They're just still working their way in, feeding their way through, working how it works. But the longest serving members, they're the ones that give you a hard time. They're the pain in the asses. Right, that's it. I'm out of here. I'm not putting up with this anymore. I don't need to put up with this. I can turn it off any moment I like and walk off into the sunset, and you can't stop me. There's nothing you can do. Nothing to stop me from doing that. All right, remember that. At any moment, I could walk off into the sunset, and you're buggered. You've got no financial advice anymore. That's it. You're all going to lose your money. Oh, my God. Do we sell? What do we do? Martyn's not on the telly. Martyn's not on the telly. Do I sell, Doris? I don't know. Martyn's not on the telly today. If I don't turn up tomorrow, sell everything. If I don't turn up, sell everything, all right? Because that's why I haven't turned up. I've sold it all. Right, that's it. See you in a bit. That's it. We're going to get ready now. I'm going to get ready for the biggest event of my life. Until then, as always, I just jumped right to it. No shame. I just jumped right in. No shame. There we go. Stacey Bailey, she just turned up and straight away, boom, day one, I'm here. I've made a presence. Yeah, I know. There's no comment really, is there? Some people just don't seem to care. They they don't care, right? She thought, sod it, I'm jumping on in. She jumped on in. Well, first impressions count. Right, that's it. I'm gonna go. See you all back in a bit. Get ready for the biggest event in human history. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Don't forget the music show tonight. And when the video comes out in a minute, look out for the link. There'll be links everywhere. There'll be so many links, you'll be linked out. Thanks for the memories, Martyn. Thank you. It's been wonderful. It's been a great life. Until next time, we meet again in the afterlife. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.